Welcome back to my channel, and I'm Grabi, and today I'm actually going to make my own t-shirt with a technique called shirring. And shirring is when you put elastic thread in the bottom of the sewing machine to make the fabric very stretchy. But before we get on to the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. So here is my fabric, and let's get started. So I ordered this elastic thread off of Amazon, and I'm just putting this into the bottom of my sewing machine here. And because we want all of our shirring to be equal, I'm going to first mark 1/2 inch on here. Okay, so now that I marked everything, we can start shirring. Make sure that your stitch is a straight stitch, and I loosened the tension by turning the knob up 2 numbers. So once you get to the edge, you're just only going to lift the footer, not the needle. Then you're going to turn your fabric with the needle inside of it. Then you're going to lift the needle, and then you're going to place it to your next row where you're going to want to start shirring. And we want to make sure that this is all flat. Here I'm making the straps. So we just repeated this step 4 more times, and now we're just going to attach it to the shirt. So quickly going to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, leave a like and a comment, and I will see you next week when I post a video of me making this shirt in stop motion form. So look out for that, and I'll see you then. Bye!